Hello crypto smart investor. In this video we are going to be looking into a very special feature of gate.io, and I know it will actually help you on the long run to better manage your portfolio as well as make the right decision to buy or sell into a project. So for this particular project at this place, we have the ShoeFy. For us to enter the trade, you just click on it and click on trade. So clicking on trade, it opens up this interface. So this particular feature is actually hidden, so let us unleash it at this moment. So just click on these three dots that is here and it should open it for you. So clicking it, it shows what? Shoe deposits, shoe withdraw, usdt deposits, and all that. So you just go straight to where it shows what? Alert settings. So alert settings is a very unique feature that can help you better make trading decisions. Why do I say that? So if you notice from this section, the current market price of a particular crypto asset is as indicated like this. So you can set the alert if the price gets to a particular value by just switching this on or off. So you notice that there are other guys to consider, which is if the price goes down to a particular value, you can trigger it on and off for you to be alerted. If the 5-minute price rises to this, right? If the 5-minute drop exceeds this number of percentage, it should be able to trigger you or alert you. Then the frequency can be either once or always. So after every setup, hit was okay. So make sure that once this setup is being done, make sure that the settings of your device is not in do not disturb, so that you'll be able to get the alert. So do not disturb is this particular guy here, although mine is turned on. So if I actually want to make use of this feature, I'm gonna turn it off. All right, so going back, I now have the market price of ShoeFy is 0.08475. So if the price goes up to, let's say, 0.09, all right, maybe 95, I want to be alerted. Remember, I don't have to turn the trigger on for it to turn on, but is that as soon as I just start typing, it turns on by itself. So if the price goes down to, let's say, 0.074, I should be triggered. So if the price goes down and I want to be alerted, that means probably I want to buy into. Okay, so if the price goes up to this particular amount, 0.095, maybe I want to sell. All right, so that is the essence of this particular feature. It's extremely so sweet. And if you are a minute trader, a 5-minute trader, or a day trader, or a spot trader, this particular feature is boom, you know. So 5 minutes rise in price gets to this percentage. Maybe the price moves for 10%, it should alert you. If the price drops by maybe 7%, it should alert you. Right? If the price drops by 7% and you are very good with technical analysis and how to use most of those indicators, you should be able to know when to go in and get out. Right? So you notice 5-minute scale is a very short time. Now we've actually made video on how to use the stop loss feature. The stop loss feature can also come handy if these alert settings have been set up effectively. Watch the video up there now if you have not done so. Hope you got value in this video. Remember to smash that subscribe button to get more updates once we release crypto related videos like this. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Remember to trade responsibly always. Peace out.